Welcome to another video, and I've not been uploading since the last few days, so apologies for that. But there are a lot of things that are changing to bring you better content and better quality. That is the reason I was not able to upload. But guess what? We have the Galaxy Note 9 in the house, and that too in copper color, and I'm really ecstatic and excited about it. Well, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna unbox that particular device. We'll have a first look and the first impressions. This will be a relatively short video. Apart from this, there will be a gaming and benchmark review that is coming up for the Note 9 and a speed test versus my daily driver, that is the OnePlus 6. So before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos 390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get unboxing. Alright, that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and a copper S Pen on the front is what is displayed, and it looks stunning. So let's look at the back of the box. What we have here? Well, we have a Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED panel, which is a full rectangle. That is what is mentioned at the back. At the same time, we have a super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera with variable aperture, which is capable of super slow-mo, and we have the 8 megapixel selfie camera. We have a iris scanner, of course, that has been a standard in flagships for Samsung. S Pen with remote control, yes, that is the first. 128 gigs of internal storage with 6 gigs of RAM, so that's generous internal storage. You have earphones tuned by AKG, 4000 milliamp hour battery, wireless charging, and apart from that, IP ratings. So that's stunning. Now let's go ahead and take this box out and let's get unboxing already, because I'm really excited to try this out. Now there's a seal on this particular box which has a host of warning labels and stuff like that. Once you're done with that and you open the box, let's see what we have inside. Now, as always, the packaging is same, just like the Samsung S9 series, and if we pull this small box over here, what we see is the first thing that we have is it clearly says Galaxy Note 9, so that's very decent branding there. You have a SIM ejector tool at the back. If we open this leaflet here, that's correct. So that's just the SIM ejector tool over here. Nothing special, nothing out of the ordinary. And if we open this box up, you will find that you have, yes, you have a soft TPU case. Now inside the soft TPU case, of course, you have a few leaflets, but the quality this time around looks to be much better. This is your quick start guide. And next we have the phone itself. So let's take the phone out and let's have a look at that gorgeous copper color. Now the phone does look great, especially that camera on the back with variable aperture adds to the looks. And if you look at the color accents, especially the S Pen, it is the same color as the device. So it's not yellow this time around, so that's a good thing. Now if you look, the color accents at the bottom for the USB port and stuff are great. And it's time to peel the plastic off and touch this fingerprint magnet, but nonetheless it looks gorgeous. The glass sandwich design is amazing. Now let's try this TPU case and let's see how great it looks, or does it make the phone bulky, because remember it's a 6.4-inch display and feels pretty okay. I don't think it feels very bulky. So let's leave the phone aside for now and let's quickly have a look what else we have inside. Now next up, you have the usual Samsung stuff that I can see here. You have, first of all, a power adapter, that is the Indian power adapter, because of course this is an Indian unit. That's an adaptive fast charger. Then you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, and of course you have earphones tuned by AKG. They sound great. You have some S Pen tips and earbuds for the AKG tuned earphones. And last but not the least, a USB Type-C cable. So let's power up the device, and at the front you have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Plus display, which is amazing. You have soft keys at the bottom. At the top of the display you have a host of sensors like the IR scanner, you have the earpiece and the front selfie camera. If you look at the top of the device, you have the SIM tray, which is a hybrid tray, and to the left of the phone you have the volume rocker and the Bixby button, and to the right you have the power button. If you look at the bottom of the device, you have a 3.5 mm jack, and you have a USB Type-C port and the primary microphone, the speaker of course, and the amazing S Pen. Now we'll have a look at the features of S Pen in another video, but for now guys, this was the quick unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9, and from the first impressions it looks really stunning and feels great to hold in hand. I will use it as my daily driver for a few days and maybe I'll try to review it, but then again, this was the unboxing. Let me know in the comment section, did you like it or not? And the uploads are regular from now, so you'll have a lot of videos coming up about OnePlus, Redmi, and maybe a few more videos about the Galaxy Note 9 as well. Until the next one, keep smiling, take care. This is Kailash signing off. Goodbye.